Umrah pilgrimage resumes after 7 months, keeping in view the improved COVID-19 situation. The government of Saudi Arabia has decided to resume the Umrah pilgrimage from October 4 today, after a suspension of 7 months. AJK Gov decides to impose lockdown. Azad Jammu and Kashmir government has decided to impose lockdown again to prevent the second wave of coronavirus in the region. Security forces kill 2 terrorists in Mir Ali of North Waziristan. 2 terrorists were killed while another arrested in an action carried out by the security forces in Mir Ali area of North Waziristan in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, KP. Craze for filming video for TikTok claims another youth life. The craze for filming a video for TikTok claimed another lives of a boy resident of Sohrab Goth areas on Sunday. Azerbaijan says Armenian forces shell second city of Ganja. Azerbaijan said on Sunday that Armenian forces had fired rockets at its second city of Ganja, killing 1 civilian and wounding 4, and threatened to retaliate by destroying military targets inside Armenia. Karachi's public transport to be converted into electric buses. Federal Minister for Science and Technology Fawad Chaudhry on Sunday vowed to convert Karachi's public transport into electric buses. PTA blocks thousands of anti-Islam, anti-Pakistan URLs on internet, report.